Well, I'm going to upgrade my tent. Not with a whole new tent, I'm just going to make an upgrade to my tent. My Gazelle T4 Plus hub tent. I love the tent. I didn't see any reason to get rid of this one. They do have a new version of this tent now. They also have an Overland edition, which makes some nice changes. But I can get the bag from the Overland edition to replace this bag. And that's what we're going to do now. So let's get into it. Of course, I understand the colors aren't going to match, but it's all right. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is nice. Sweet. Nice little flap to cover the zipper. Oh yeah. Pockets for your stakes. This is a piece of cake. Wow. I can fit my big blue tarp in here. Let me tell you, this is huge. It's almost too big. Okay, this bag is absolutely enormous. You could almost fit 2 of these in here. The struggle was real trying to get this tent back in the original bag that came with it. Big outside spot. You can actually keep stakes for other things in there with that. We've got a nice covered flap here to keep the zippers watertight. And then we've got 2 of the straps to kind of cinch that in. But yeah, I mean, like this would be big enough to keep, when they get it back in stock, I want to get the footprint for this. And I might end up getting, I also have a camp rug, outdoor rug. And this would be plenty big to keep that stored inside here. Now I can put this on my roof rack or in the back of the truck, either one, without having to worry about any kind of weather ingress, because before I had to keep this inside the vehicle because nobody wants to be setting up a wet tent. Alright, so it's all stowed away, and as you can see, this is much bigger than the original. There is limitless what you could actually store with this and probably make it work for your camp kit. If you bought one of the originals and you're looking to upgrade the bag to something more weatherproof, consider this. And currently it is available. I'll leave a link in the description from gazelle.com. And just to get it directly from them. I actually had a question to just make sure that this was big enough for my tent, and they were like, oh yeah, it's big enough. And they responded within probably 12 hours. So that was, and I think I sent that at nighttime, so the next business day I got an answer. But yeah, anyway, waterproof, large, can outside pockets, the whole thing. This is gonna fit the bill. Thumbs up. As always, I'm Jeff. This is Will to Live Outdoors. Remember to give us a thumbs up, give us a comment, tell me what you think about this weatherproof bag. This is an option for you. And if you got any questions, just feel free to ask. I will answer them. Thank you.